Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain continuity differentiability problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. So what is given? Y value given. Then we have to find dy by dx. Okay. First we have to find root under 1 plus sin x as well as root 1 minus sin x. So root under 1 plus sin x, it will going to be root under this one. We have cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. Sin x formula is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. It will going to be root under in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab a plus b whole square. Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Root 2 square get cancelled. It will be cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Okay. So similarly, we have find root 1 minus sin x. It will going to be cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So what is given? Y value given cot inverse of, so root under 1 plus sin x. We have cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Root under 1 minus sin x, cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 upon root under 1 plus sin x cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Okay, minus of root under 1 minus sin x, it will be cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Okay, so one sin x by 2 get cancelled. So this minus 1 multiplied to all, minus cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. In denominator one cos x by 2 get cancelled. It will going to be cot inverse of cos x by 2 plus cos x by 2, 2 cos x by 2. In denominator was sin x by 2 plus sin x by 2. It will going to be 2 sin x by 2 and 2 get cancelled. Okay, this continuation, y is equal to cot inverse of cos x by 2 by sin x by 2 is nothing but cot x by 2. Okay, y equal to cot inverse of cot x by 2, it will going to be x by 2. Okay, now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of y, we get dy by dx. In this 1 by 2 constant, differentiation of x with respect to x, it will going to be 1. So answer is 1 by 2 into 1 equal to 1 by 2. Okay, moving to next question. So root under x plus y plus root under x minus y equal to c. Then find out y2. So y2 is nothing but d square y by dx square. So second order derivative of y. Okay, so what is given? Root x plus y plus root x minus y equal to c. Okay, so we should multiply root under x plus y minus root under x minus y on both sides. Okay, so root under x plus y plus root under x minus y into root under x plus y minus root under x minus y equal to c times of root under x plus y minus root under x minus y. Okay, we should applying a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square formula. So root where a plus b into a minus b, it will be a square minus b square equal to c times of, so it will be root x plus y minus root x minus y. The square root get cancelled. It will going to be x plus y minus x minus into minus plus y, c times of root x plus y minus root x minus y. In this one x get cancelled, y plus y 2y, so 2y, so c divide on left side equal to root x plus y minus root x minus y. Let us take equation 2. From statement, let us take equation 1. Okay, we have got equation 2. So let us do adding. So root x plus y, root x minus y get cancelled. So it will going to be root x plus y plus root x plus y. 2 times of root x plus y equal to c plus 2y by c. Okay, now squaring on both sides. So 4 times of x plus y equal to c plus 2y by c whole square. So by using a plus b whole square formula, a square c square plus b square 4y square by c square plus 2ab. 2 into c into 2y by c. So one c get cancelled. So this is 4x plus 4y equal to c square plus 4y square by c square plus 2 to the 4y. Both sides 4y get cancelled. Okay, now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So 4 into differentiation of x will be 1. So c square constant derivative 0. 4 by c square constant. So differentiation of y square, it will be 2y into dy by dx. Okay. So both sides 4 get cancelled. So dy by dx equal to. So let us do cross product c square by 2y. So let us take equation 3. But our target is y2. So again differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So dy by dx, the differentiation of dy by dx is d square y by dx square equal to c square by 2 constant. So differentiation of 1 by y, it will be minus 1 by y square into y1. Okay, minus 1 by y square into differentiation of y is dy by dx. So minus c square by 2y square into y1 value from equation 3, y1 value is c square by 2y. So answer is minus c to the power 4 by 4y cube. This is answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So 3f of x minus 2f of 1 by x equal to x given. Then we have to find f dash of 2. Okay. First we have to find f dash of x at x is equal to 2. So what is given? 3 into f of x minus 2 into f of 1 by x equal to x given. Let us take equation 1. So on replacing x by 1 by x in equation 1, now we get 3 times of f of expression, we should write 1 by x, minus 2 times of 1 by expression, we should write x, equal to this expression, write 1 by x. Let us take equation 2. Okay, by elimination method we have to find f of x value. So equation 1 multiplied by 3, equation 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, it will going to be 9f of x minus 6f of 1 by x equal to 3x. Okay, so what is the second equation? Second equation multiplied by 2. This is 6f of x minus 6f of 1 by x. 4f of x equal to 2 by x. Okay, so let us do adding. So 6f of 1 by x, 6f of 1 by x get cancelled. 9 minus 4, 5f of x. It will going to be 3x plus 2 by x. But our target is f dash of 2. Okay, now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. It will going to be 5 constant. Differentiation of f of x is f dash x equal to 3 into differentiation of x, it will be 1. 2 constant. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. But our target is f dash of 2. At x is equal to 2, we have to find f dash x value. So 5 f dash of 2 equal to 3 minus 2 by 2 square. So 3 minus 1 by 2, it will be 5 by 2. 5 into f dash 2 is equal to 5 by 2. Both sides 5 get cancelled. Therefore f dash of 2 equal to 1 by 2. So answer is 1 by 2. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So a into f of tan x plus b into f of cot x equal to x given. Then we have to find f dash of cot x. Okay. So what is given? A into f of tan x plus b into f of cot x equal to x given. So first on explanation, on replacing x by 90 minus x in equation 1. Okay, let us take, if given statement is equation 1. So a into f of tan 90 minus x plus b f of cot, their explanation we should write 90 minus x equal to pi by 2 minus x. Okay, so it will going to be a into f of 9 tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, tan 90 minus x is cot x, f of cot x plus b into cot 90 minus x, it will be tan x equal to pi by 2 minus x. So let us take second equation. Okay, from 1 and 2 equations, we have to find first f of cot x value. F of cot x. But our target is f dash of cot x. Okay, second equation multiplied by a and first equation multiplied by b. Okay, now it will be, so first equation multiplied by b, it will be ab into f of tan x plus b square into f of cot x equal to bx. Okay, second equation multiplied by a, it will be a square f of cot x plus ab f of tan x equal to a times of pi by 2 minus x. Okay, let us do subtraction. ab f of tan x, ab f of tan x get cancelled. It will be f of cot x, take out common. It will be b square minus a square equal to bx minus a pi by 2. So minus into minus plus ax. But our target is f dash of cot x. Okay, now differentiation on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of f of cot x, in this b square minus a square constant. So differentiation of f of cot x is f dash of cot x into differentiation of cot x will be minus cosecant square x equal to, so bx, b constant, x differentiation 1 minus a pi by 2 constant derivative 0 plus a into x differentiation will be 1. Okay, so b square minus a square constant, differentiation of f of cot x is f dash of cot x, but differentiation of cot x, it will be minus cosecant square x equal to b constant, differentiation of x will be 1 minus a pi by 2 constant differentiation 0 plus a into differentiation of x will be 1. Okay, we have got this value. So b square minus a square into minus 1, it will be a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a minus b into a plus b, f dash of cot x into cosecant square x equal to a plus b. So this minus 1 multiplied to b square minus a square, it will be a square minus b square. So write a minus b into a plus b. Both sides one a plus b get cancelled. It will going to be, what is our target? F dash of cot x. So a minus b into cosecant square x, bring the right side, 1 by a minus b into cosecant square x. It will going to be 1 by cosecant square x is nothing but sin square x by a minus b. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, let us go to the next problem. So xy values are given, then we have to find y3. So y3 is nothing but third order differentiation of y. Okay, first we have to find y1 value. Y1 is nothing but dy by dx. So derivative of y, what is y given? A into tan theta whole cube by derivative of x value given a into secant theta whole cube whole square. Okay, in this a constant, a into, so differentiation of tan theta whole cube. So by using x to the power n formula, so differentiation of x to the power n is n into x to the power n minus 1. So tan theta whole cube, it will be 3 tan theta power 3 minus 1 into differentiation of tan, it will be secant square theta. by using chain rule into denominator a constant, differentiation of secant theta whole square. It will be 2 secant theta into differentiation of secant theta is secant theta into tan theta. Now in this one a get cancelled. So 3 into tan square theta, this is 1 tan theta get cancelled, as well as secant square theta get cancelled. So 3 by 2 times of tan theta. So what is this? y1. Again differentiation on both sides with respect to x. So differentiation of y1 is y2. 3 by 2 constant. Differentiation of tan theta, it will be secant square theta into differentiation of theta with respect to x into d theta by dx. So this is the most important. Differentiation of theta with respect to x is d theta by dx. Okay, it will going to be, so y2 is equal to 3 by 2 times of secant square theta d theta by dx. Okay, so x value given into d theta by dx. So what is x? A secant square theta. So dx by d theta equal to a constant. So differentiation of secant square theta is 2 secant theta into differentiation of secant theta will be secant theta into tan theta. Okay, we have got y2 value where dx by d theta value a into 2 secant theta into secant theta tan theta. Okay, so 3 by 2 times of secant square theta. So dx by d theta value, there we have to find d theta by dx. Okay, the reciprocal of this value 1 by a into 2 secant theta into secant theta into tan theta. So 1 secant square theta get cancelled. So it will going to be 3 by 4a times of 1 by tan theta is nothing but cot theta. So this is y2. Again differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of y2, y3. This is our target. 3 by 4a constant. So differentiation of cot theta minus cosecant square theta into d theta by dx. So it will going to be minus 3 by 4a into cosecant square theta. So d theta by dx. But dx by d theta value, we have dx by d theta. So d theta by dx is reciprocal of d theta by dx by d theta. 1 by a times of 2 secant theta into tan theta. Okay, it will going to be, so minus 3 by 4a. Cosecant square theta, we have formula 1 by sin square theta. So 1 by 2a constant. Secant theta into secant theta, secant square theta. 1 by secant square theta is nothing but cos square theta. 1 by tan is nothing but cot theta. Okay. So final answer y3 is equal to, so minus 3 by 4a into 2a, 8a square. Cos square by sin square is cot square theta. Cot square theta into cot theta is cot cube theta. This is the answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming classes.